In the world of grains, our ancient grains, that is millets, which were always overshadowed, are making a comeback. Yes, this year has been called as Year of Millets, and all of a sudden, all the millets have been getting all the popularity. Right from all the cafes, आजकल आपको salad से लेकर gluten free breads, you get so many things made out of millets. Yes, even noodles and pizza bases and burgers, everything are being made up of millets. So let's learn some fact about millets. तो सबसे पहले millets होते क्या हैं? These are the grains जैसे कि बाजरा, जवाहर या राजगीरा, नाचने, कोडो मिलेट, ये सारे एक तरह के ग्रेन्स हैं जिनको हम मिलेट्स कहते हैं, एंड दे आर ग्लूटेन फ्री. So all those people who are gluten intolerant can definitely eat them, right? And two is कि इसमें होता है बहुत सारे nutrients, whether it is B complex or प्रोटीन्स और कॉम्प्लेक्स कार्बोहाइड्रेट और मैग्नीशियम, उसमें बहुत सारे जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स हैं वो हमें मिलते हैं मिलेट से. So if you're eating variety of millets, you also get variety of nutrients from them, right? Three is that our millets are usually high in fiber. So high in fiber matlab they are heart healthy. They also help you get your cholesterol down. So you have a very good reason why to include millet in your diet. Similarly, when we talk about millets, they also are low glycemic index food, so that makes it also diabetic friendly. So you have enough reasons to include millet in your diet. एंड यू कुड डू सो मेनी थिंग्स आउट ऑफ मिलेट. क्या क्या बन सकता है मिलेट से? आप बाजरा ज्वार की रोटी बना सकते हो, राजगिरे की रोटी बना सकते हो, उसके रैप्स भी बना सकते हो, काठी रोल्स बना सकते हो. सो यू कैन यूज दैट एज अ बेस एंड पुट वेजिटेबल्स एंड यूज दैट. यू कुड डू खीर ऑफ इट, लड्डूज ऑफ इट, इवन मिलेट की बहुत सारी नूडल्स आती हैं. यू कुड डू मिलेट नूडल्स फॉर योर चिल्ड्रन, मिलेट पास्ता. यू कुड डू डोसा आउट ऑफ इट. You can also make pizza base of jawar and burger. Yeah, it comes out really well. So millets are healthy and you have enough reasons to include millets in your diet. But here are some facts which you also need to learn and understand before introducing millets in your diet, because we also want that you should have a healthful experience when you're adding millets in your diet, right? So all those people who have gut inflammation, जिनको acidity होती है या IBS irritable bowel रहता है या बहुत ज़्यादा indigestion issues रहते हैं, you may have to see which millet is suiting you, because they are difficult to digest. As I told you कि ये high in fiber होते हैं, so sometimes that can trigger your indigestion or irritable bowel. So it's very important for you to understand which particular millets are suiting you and which one are not suiting you. Two is that all those people who have thyroid may have to see that first of all that they have to make sure that you have to cook the millets very well before consuming them. And two is that they also have some goitrogens which can interfere with your thyroid gland. So you may have to restrict the amount of millet or keep a check if your thyroid fluctuations are happening. You may have to completely avoid millets. So you can include this powerhouse of nutrients in your diet, but do it in a wise way, do it in a right way, and enjoy variety of dishes what you can cook with these millets.